And the winner is, and it's never easy to make documentary, and I spoke to this guy recently in primetime and delighted for him. Give a warm welcome to The Pipe, Richard O'Donnell and Rachel Isaac.
Gurmil Magav, on behalf of The Pipe, we're deeply honoured to accept this award. Thank you, IFTA. Bhailan buíochas go bhfuil de TG Cahar agus sports gan on here in Irish Film Board as the quid taki to Olvor hugdu doing sa gan on seo. I want to thank Mum and Dad who believed in me, and I want to thank my Uncle Padre and Mayo who fed me for 4 years, to everybody who worked in this, especially to these two guys here, Rachel Isaac, my producer, Nigel O'Regan, my editor, who put their careers, put everything on the line for this film, despite fighting against huge odds. And last but not least, I want to thank people of this small, beautiful, some would say insignificant part of Ireland, Rossport. At a time when the leaders of our country put the resources of the state at the behest of huge private interests, it's their dignity and their courage which should be an inspiration for people everywhere around the country who are suffering now. Gurmagad.